Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Chrome high memory usage. Let's fix it guys. First open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side you just need to select performance and in here you can able to see memory saver. Just turn it on and set this range to maximum. Now on left side select extensions. You just need to disable or remove extensions you no longer use. That step you just need to clear cache and cookies. To do this, just need to go back to settings and select privacy and security on left. On right, select delete browsing data. And now leave the browsing history uncheck and other things check and set time range to all time and select delete data option. And the fourth step you just need to disable preload feature. You just need to search preload pages. Just turn it off. After turning off preload pages, on left side select system and you just need to turn off this continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. And on the left side select about Chrome option and it will automatically check for updates and if any updates available it will update it guys. After the update done you are ready to use the Chrome without the high memory usage. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.